Taking a look at stock ticker symbol GTIM. Good Times Restaurants right now currently trade at $3.45. I was just looking at this chart here because of the fact that you've literally traded at that 361 3 days in a row. As you zoom out here in the chart, you're going to be able to see that played a resistance level over here back in January 6th of 2017. That was going to be a level as well. And then ultimately just multiple times. So it's right there around that 375. You guys break through that 375 area. A pretty big move up to that $4 mark should be pretty quick, but ultimately right now, looking in the last 2 months, right? 2 months, really paying attention to that 20-day simple moving average, in the 10-day simple moving average. We can follow that up here with the 10-day simple moving average right there. Basically, you guys got up to that 360 mark right there at that top, just could not break through it, starting to pull back down a little bit. We're going to be watching for that right now. In my personal opinion, it might trade sideways right now between that 350 and that 330 area, but if history repeats itself, it very well could be coming back down for that bounce here off that 330. Worst case scenario, you guys might test that 20-day simple moving average around that 315. But you know what? One thing at a time here. Let's continue to watch that 340 mark. I personally think that it might trade sideways here for a few days, and we're going to put in here 345 resistance levels at 350 and then 360 support 340. I think the major ones, and then that's going to be the 330. And then the 310, so 320. Yeah, so 320 and then 310. All right, so I'm going to put 330 to 310. All right, so might go sideways here and bounce off of the 330 to 310. Again, this is going to be basically off of that resistance level. You guys are starting to turn that 350 into, but ultimately right now, I'm paying attention to that volume down here. That volume's dropped off as well, so that's why I'm saying it's going to either bounce off that 10-day simple moving average or the 20-day. So that's why I put that range at so wide there between the 330 and the 310 mark. That's going to be the 10 and 20-day simple moving averages. Again, for a stock ticker symbol GTIM. If you guys follow the stock, I encourage you to join InvestorsHangout.com. Check out the link in the description below for the GTIM stock message board over here on InvestorsHangout.com.